Hey friends, good morning to all of you. And today this is our today's task, and you can see here that, and this is our viewer, which can see like this. So this is our front view, which is on upper side, and this is our top view, which is in lower side. So this means this is the first angle. So we want to design this model like in the first angle. So for that, we need to go in Solidworks, and its screen is open. We firstly select the top plane and select the rectangle and create it. Yes, select origin. Yeah, right now it's okay. Now give dimension 75 and press tab, and different is 38. Okay, now extrude it up to, yeah, 12. Yes, and after that select its upper surface and sketch on it. And if you want to see in isometric, so please click the space. Yeah, now I have to draw here rectangle, so I started here. Yeah, now its corner distance from this surface is, yeah, 8 mm, and from left, yes, it is also 8. What happened? Yeah, 8. Now another has also 8. Now we come to make it in this model. Okay, is it okay? Right. Okay, so please extrude it. Yes, up to 15. Yeah, right. Now we want to create hole. So square hole. So create a one rectangle on that surface. Right. Rectangle, and its dimension is 8. Yes. And its dimension from both end has 22. Yes, and from left hand sides corner to both surface is 11. Yeah, so we have created it. Now we want to create depth, so we need to cut it. So for that, going features, extrude cut, applied here. You can easily go for blind, give its dimension. I am going here up to surface. No, it does not have surface, so for up to next. Okay, now it is created. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, so our next task is chamfer, making chamfer on the end. So it is 11. Yeah, given. Okay, right now. Okay, now we need to check its head surface, it is 16 mm or not. So for that, evaluate, measure. Okay, so point is different. I think we need to check again. Okay, yes, yeah, you can see that this is 16 mm. Yeah, so this is our right CAD model, so we can go through that. So this is our CAD model. Okay, we need to change its color, so apply here. Oh, it's too dark, need to light it, so select it. Yeah, this is good. So select.
Hey friends, if you like this video and its content, so please like the button, and you want to more updates on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on this bell icon, so for that you will get notified for more updates. So thank you friends, and if you need any improvements, so please comment on me. Thank you for your wonderful support.